Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to really quickly show you how to resend your emails to people who haven't opened them. So that's like I think it was called, what was it, resend email to unopened. Pretty straightforward, right? So this is in a case where under traffic, emails, campaigns, you've sent out an email campaign, as you can see here. It's normal that, let's say, only 30% of the people open, so you can still resend it to the other 70%. So what you want to do is you want to click on here, resend email to unopened, and here you can set a time, a future time. It needs to be within the window of 12 hours to 10 days, right? So if it's anything outside, you're not going to be able to send it. And yeah, this is basically, maybe you sent the previous email, the original, at like a time when people just don't, it just wasn't a good time to send it. Maybe it got buried, or, but it's still, it's like a valuable promotion. You want to resend it, get some extra views, opens of the email, and some extra clicks, hopefully, within that email. Just get more engagement, get more out of that one email by sending it twice. And yeah, you can send it a second time within that allowed window. And also you can change the subject line, right? So the first time this didn't work, right? It was just a flop. And then maybe instead of doing something like this, you can do something like, I don't know, only 3 hours left, or just something, I don't know, something different, a different angle. But obviously it needs to be relevant to the email itself, right? You don't want to trick people or whatever. So always keep that in mind. But yeah, change up the subject line. That would be my suggestion. And also, this feature, I wouldn't use it too often. It's a nice extra tool, but it's not something to abuse. So go try it out, see how it works for you. But yeah, just keep in mind the goal is to just kind of try a different subject line and get more out of that one email, right? By just kind of sending it twice, essentially. And also keep in mind that this feature works for specific types of email sends. So let's go over here. Let's go actually click on the email. So when I want to send it, right, we finished with the email and then we click send or schedule. It only works if you've selected send now or schedule. If you select batch schedule or RSS schedule, you're not going to be able to resend the email even within the window, the 12 hours to 10 days. It's just not a feature. So make sure to use one of these features, right? If you want to use the resend feature. But that's pretty short and sweet. If you still have any questions, let's go back over here about email campaigns, resending, I don't know, funnels, whatever else Funneltopia related. There's, so many features. Yeah, click on down here below, 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.